He never pulls us over. And he's a good looking fella too. Really pretty spot. I thought I'd stop and show you.
I'm gonna look for the next one.
Holy smokes, that's a big bull. Let's see if I can catch a fish. Looks like the fish are starting to rise. Well, I caught a little planter. There it goes. She just got a bite. We've got a flying bubble going. Emma's got one. Okay, now just lift. Whoa! Oh, it broke off. Nothing. I have some extra water. Do you want some hot chocolate?
Sure. I use my bag right here.
Firebox.
I'm just saying work. Good sir.
Using the pie tin as a little bit of a windshield.
I got the batter.
Oh, that is cute of her.
Is it mixed enough?
We don't need that one, buddy.
Good. It's a big pancake.
See if we can turn this beauty.
Look, there's ants all over it. Drop it, drop it.
Oh yeah, little babies, huh? Are those ants?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
You guys. Gorgeous.
Yum.
Oh.
I like this pie tin way. I think it's gonna be good.
How's that, bub?
Good.
Good bite?
Mmm. Baking? Dad, I'm just gonna steal your baking.
No, you're not. That's my bacon, buddy. Well, we know there's plenty of fish in here. Testing out this raft. This is actually packable. So I'm gonna try to backpack this into some remote lakes.
Showing around.
Are you trying to catch a fish?
Yeah, that's about the size.
Nice.
Nice, you got one, Emma. Luke, look what you guys caught.
Yes.
Wow, that's beautiful, Emma. So after I've cleaned the fish and gotten the guts out, then I go to this fin here. And if you use your fingernail and you just kind of push down under that fin, you can kind of separate the skin and the meat right there. And that's a really good starting point. Slowly push the skin along until you completely skin the fish. And a paper towel comes in very handy. It makes it a lot easier to get a grip on the skin and on the fish itself. Just like that. I'm gonna set up to do a roast. This is gonna be good. I'm gonna fuel this with some mesquite charcoal. Ooh, look at that. That's beautiful. The temperature's already come up from 85 degrees to 119, so it's coming up pretty fast. Okay, we've reached 160 degrees. Wow, it smells amazing. Yeah, if I could get that side to stay up, that would be beautiful.
Right there.
And running about an hour and 45 minutes. Okay, we've been running for 3 hours now. I've kept the temperature under 200 degrees. Let's see what this beauty looks like. Oh, it smells so good. And so, wow, look at that.
So juicy.
Let's try this out. Shredding pretty good. We wanted shredded beef for nachos.
You want to bring that to Daddy? There you go.
Yeah, that's
Julie's
good.
growling at her toy.
Pretty hot though. Just hold it on the edge. We're all hungry.
Yeah, we are hungry, huh? That's good stuff. All right, we better put it away before
I know, we're
I
gonna
eat
eat it
all.
all. We don't have any for
Can I
nachos.
have more?
It's time to cook up those fish we caught earlier and make some fish tacos. Easy light fire starter to get our thermal column started. This is really what I made this kit for. This is our new frying pan kit. I'm thinking about calling it the cowboy kit because you kind of feel like a cowboy when you're eating out of one of these pie tins. Might as well contain as much heat as we can. Looking good. Starting to build a little heat.
There's a bunch of grease on top of this. Did you spread?
Little adobo seasoning. A little bit of lime.
Maybe a little bit more butter, kind of get it saucy. There we go. That should make it good.
So I'm just going to set this off to the side. Fish tacos. A little avocado. A little coleslaw.
Yeah, it's got salt and pepper and lime juice, mayo.
Pepper in
I
it.
put some pepper in it, but if you want to add a little bit more.
Ooh. Oh.
So good.
That is good. Look at that fire. A little bit of coleslaw. All right.
It tastes good when that tortilla is still warm under there.
That's good stuff, yeah. It's not, this method's perfect because everything's staying warm.
Yeah. I think those edges help keep things warm too, you know? Kind of just make a little...
Keep the breeze off of them.
Yeah.
Where you going? We decided to pack it up here pretty early. This was pretty much just a place to stop and sleep. Nice thunderstorm. Pretty awesome.
What do you have?
We got some.
Haha.
So many lucky girls.
We've been coming out here to camp for about 20 years.
Because it smells sad. This way got excavator.
It actually joins together here. That is honestly just a single stick. It's pretty awesome. Yeah, I've never seen a rainbow quite like that.
That's cool. It's not really a bow, it's kind of like a pillar.
Are you tired?
Yeah.
You're pretty cute with those clouds behind you. We're gonna try to make nachos tonight. And I'm gonna do it with mesquite charcoal again. I'm gonna put the perforated pan in here, and what's gonna happen is all the fat and the butter and everything that we had added in with our roast beef, with our shredded roast beef, that's all gonna drain down into those beans. You can see the sun is just setting back there. There's some nice green chilies in there. Using the frying pan mess kit. So let's go ahead and spread some of this beef around. Put some of these beans in here.
Do layers.
Do a little bit more.
Ooh, those, that I can smell the chilies in there. It smells good.
A few more chips. A little bit more of our shredded beef.
Hiking 6 miles, it's gonna taste pretty tasty.
Yeah, that was a pretty good hike today.
Yeah.
A few more beans.
That's what makes it
Go ahead
nachos,
and
right?
load it up.
Oops, awesome.
And we'll go ahead and put our pan on top. I think it really is gonna rain on us. Then I'm gonna put the whole thing on, just kind of heat the whole chamber up together. Let's just see how they look. Oh look, they're melting really
They
good.
look delicious. Alright, get a little sour cream going.
Mm-hmm.
We'll get all the good stuff up here. A little salsa.
Ooh, that looks good.
Yeah.
I think I need a fork.
Just good flavors in every layer of it.
Oh yeah, it's nice and spicy too.
Like 40 times a day.
I know, I remember
Emma was
that.
there's more shell. We get our coats out and our sweats and stuff.
I got Mickey. Mickey, I think that yours might be just right for you right now. I love the second layer.
Good snack?
I really need to lock this before things get much hotter. mustard and mayo and garlic salt and pepper on the beef. This is a great lunch. We're getting some rain now. It'll wash off all that beautiful red dirt. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.